And we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Fresh out today, the top news seller is called AI Content Sniper, and it is AI blogging and AI SEO. And you're going to love this whole combination of putting everything together to do all sorts of things. I'm going to call it blogging, but it's basically content creation, and it can do all sorts of things. And the whole thing is $17.97. And you'll like sometimes when I do these reviews, there's a discount coupon. So in this case, there's not a discount coupon code, but there are these kind of packages that are, instead of upgrade offers, these are kind of like packages that are put together with things. I'll show you what I mean. Top thing, if you're at all interested in blogs, creating content, making money off creating content, that's what this is all about. So I'm going to leave you there for a second, just run through this. Built for WordPress, powered by ChatGPT and Gemini, help beginners dominate search rankings and drive commissions. The plugin auto-generates full blog posts, and they say how-tos, listicles, reviews, you name it, and puts in affiliate links, adds images from Pixabay, Pexels, OpenAI, and publishes them in seconds. And you get built-in Google and Bing keyword data, image sourcing, compliance tools, full training suite to turn any niche blog into a high-ranking, high-converting content hub. So this comes from Anthony Rusek and Mark Wrightley. These guys are top-notch super affiliates. And like they say, perfect for ClickBank, MaxWeb, BuyGoods, any affiliate network. One-click bulk publishing, built-in SEO optimization and keyword research, for even a total beginner or somebody who has a lot of, just puts it together, content, traffic, and commissions on autopilot. And again, as we're showing you at the page I'm looking at right now, it's $17.97. I'm going to scroll down a bit, see if they have a bit about the packages. I might have to go. I'll let you scroll through the information here. The link is in the video description, and you click the link, it'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. The actual site there has a really good description. As you go down, there's the bonuses listed, which we're about to show you there. There's a demo video. There's the beta tester result, which you don't often get reviews where they go, hey, here's how it actually worked. So here's a guy, Dirk2, had his site ranking on Google and Bing within 36 hours. So, and he talks about using the whole thing, how it all works out. And then the upgrade offers, I'm just going to quickly run through a fast cash case study, $10. So it's $17.97 already. That's what I'm saying. You might add up spending some more money. OTO one-time offer, AI Content Accelerator plugin, takes your WordPress site to the next level. Content creation, niche research, blog growth. And again, it's made for WordPress, and it integrates with the classic editor on WordPress and Elementor for instant AI-powered content. A lot more there that I'll let you read about. SEO Profit Engine, another upgrade offer, Link Domination Mastery, how to build backlinks and do off-page SEO to get sites to rank. Sniper School, Rank Fast, Earn Faster, which is coaching calls and from all the guest experts that you can imagine. And the bundle, all the plugins, over-the-shoulder training, and then it's a one-time thing for the whole year for, I think, $297, and then it probably rebuilds after a year for the same kind of thing. So there's a lot of packages available. Let you look through that. Click the link in the video description and go check it out. This is the top new product today. Let's see if there's anything else I want to show you on the actual page you're going to go to. You can see the templates. Yeah, makes lots of money. Yeah, I'm going to skip past that and let you just read that and go to the end. Okay, so really, AI set and forget plugin, hijack their content, turn it into a cash machine. Create content, rank higher, monetize faster than ever before with these tools that run while you sleep. There you go. Click the link in the video description and go check out AI Content Sniper and enjoy. That's $17.97 fresh out today. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Click the link in the description to go check out AI Content Sniper. Enjoy.